Everybody is using this simple method to make money on Binance right now, and you don't have to be left behind. You only need a Binance account and any amount as a starting capital. Now, if you don't have a Binance account, then click on the special link in this video description and sign up on Binance and receive $100 welcome bonus. Now, before I show you this simple method that you can use today to make money on Binance, let me ask you one simple question, obvious one actually. If you are given two options, A and B, option A, $1,000 bank account which generates no interest at the end of the day. Option B, $1,000 bank account which generates 1% interest at the end of the day. Which of these options will you go for? Option A or option B? Leave your answer in the comment section. Now, let me take you to my phone screen and show you this simple method that you can use today to start making money on Binance. I'm using this same method. I'm going to show you this is the same method I'm using right here. Okay, so let me quickly show you how this is done. Right, I previously made a video on this, but I did not just talk about this specific one. So today I want to make it more specific and talk to you about this. Right, so when you come to your Binance app homepage like this, right, just tap on this profile icon over here, and once you are here, locate simple in, right, tap on it. Once you tap on it, in this case, we are going to look for USDt, all right? You're going to look for USDt. That's the one that we are interested in, okay? So it is the one right here, okay? And we just have to tap on it. Once you tap on it, this is what is going to pop up, right? All right, so once you are here, the next thing that you're going to do, you enter the amount of USDt in your account that you want to use for the investment, right? So what happened is you stand a chance to earn a total of 19.2% interest on whatever you are going to put right here, okay? And what I've placed over here, I've been getting an estimated daily reward of 0.045 something USDt. That's what I've been getting, right? So let me explain something to you right here, okay? If you are putting your money in this USDt, it simply means you are earning percentages on it on daily basis. So compare this to you having an amount of money which is just sleeping in your accounts. I mean bank accounts or mobile money accounts or whichever way you used to keep your money. Or the money is just even in your bedroom. It is lying over there, which is generating no interest. So this is typically like the option A I've talked about in earlier parts of this video. Or you put in the money right here into this USDt, which is going to generate an interest for you at the end of the day. So this way of putting the money here, which generates interest for you, is like the option B I've talked about in earlier part of the video. So right now, if your answer is option A, then you're probably not going to put your money over here. But if your answer is option B, that means you're probably going to put your money right here, which is going to generate interest for you at the end of the day. And listen, that is not all. If you are in a country where the dollar and your local currency, the gap between them keep widening, all right? The gap between them keep widening. That means it's equally safe for you to keep your money in a USDT. USDT is a stable coin, all right? It's a stable coin. Let me put it that way. Meaning the USDT and the US dollar are the same, okay? The USDT will only decrease when the US dollar decrease, or the USDT will only go up when the US dollar goes up, okay? So aside you getting a daily interest on this amount of money that you're going to put over here, you equally stand a chance to make money on the side, in that the local currency, your local currency and the US dollar, the gap keep widening. The more the gap widen, the more money you make on the side if you happen to withdraw this money through P2P. And I'll equally explain or talk about how to use the P2P on a Binance platform. I'll talk about it for you to get it right. So I believe you pretty much understood this right now. If you have any other question, feel free, leave it in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer you. Anything bothering you, just let me know in the comment section if you need clarification or anything, because this is something that you shouldn't be sleeping on right now, because 19.29%. And listen, it is also flexible, meaning you can withdraw at any time you want, right? You can withdraw at any time you want. And one other thing that I also like to add is that do make sure you turn on auto subscribe. Okay, let me show you what the auto subscribe means. So the auto subscribe simply means the available balance in your spot wallet will be used daily at 2 a.m. or and 4 p.m. UTC plus 0, right? To subscribe to Flexible, all right, it's just like you are compounding, okay? And I pretty much like that because in these percentage games, the more you put in, the more you gain. Let's say you put in $100 as an investment compared to somebody who's putting in $1,000 as an investment. If both of you are to earn 1% on whatever you put in, the person who put in $1,000 is going to earn more than the person who puts in $100. Obviously, that's how come I said the percentage game over here is well played when you have a higher amount to put into something, right? So that's why I highly advise that you turn on the auto subscribe, because auto subscribe tends to increase the amount of money you've invested. So the more it increases or accumulate over time, the more you gain in terms of percentage. All right. And I hope you pretty much understood this, right? So that's it. That's going to be it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. If you need any other thing, I'm right here. All right.